Hi everybody, we have a highway range of product named Roadcrete L. Roadcrete L is a fast setting, cementitious large section road repair concrete. The benefits of using Roadcrete L are: it has excellent bonding to concrete substrate. It has great impact on resistance than on standard concrete. Roadcrete L has high strength. It will not shrink and it assures positive expansion for better grip with all concrete surface. Roadcrete L is fast setting and is easy to use. It can be applied over existing concrete floor and road. It is cost effective road repair motor, open for the traffic for shortage timing. Roadcrete L improves adhesion, abrasion and durability. It will not peel, crumble, dust or crack. Roadcrete L is a permanent repair to spoiled and damaged road. Its freeze-thaw durability is better than standard concrete. Roadcrete L is used for repairing to large section damaged concrete road, floors spelled concrete, gutters, support of road furniture, etc. Roadcrete L is a single part, cementitious, fast setting, large section road repair concrete composed of a factory controlled blend of special Portland cement, aggregates and special additives. It is a fast setting, high strength, trowel applied motor designed for large section damaged road repair concrete. Its rapid set characteristics allows a fast return of the road to traffic. The product is chloride free and can be safely used in contact with reinforcing steel. For mixing Roadcrete L, pour the measured gauging water into a suitable mixing vessel and slowly add the powder to the water. Whisk continuously, mixing 25 kg of Roadcrete L will require 4 liters of water. Mix it using mechanically stirrer, for example, electric drill with paddle attachment, until the material is uniformly mixed. Now apply the mixed patching motor to pre-treated area. Trowel like regular concrete until desired finish. The concrete can be placed in a section of 50 mm to 100 mm thickness. After placement, no special curing is required in moderate ambient conditions. For laying, minimum thickness of 50 mm is required. Roadcrete L is supplied in 25 kg pack. If you have any queries regarding this, please do not hesitate to reach us. Thank you.